guys! Today we're going to make Mars Bar Krispie Squares. Very, very easy and one of my favorites.
4 Mars bars, 85 grams of margarine, 120 grams of Krispies, 400 grams of chocolate.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is chop up the Mars bars and melt them in the saucepan with the stork margarine. So I have 4 Mars bars here from the packets that you can buy 4 in a packet. If you're buying individual Mars bars, you could use 3 of that size. These are slightly smaller than normal. I'm going to pop them in here with the stork margarine. Stork is much better than butter for this recipe. I don't know why, it just always turns out so much nicer. And I throw in some extra chocolate in with that as well. The Mars bars and the stork and a little bit of extra chocolate in there. I'm going to put it on to a very low heat because the Mars bars are tricky enough to melt. So I'm going to just leave it for a little while. It's going to take a good few minutes to melt slowly, and I've got a wooden spoon to stir every now and again. Okay, so you can see now that it's pretty much melted. There's a couple of lumps there, the Mars bars. That's not going to melt, but that doesn't matter, it's fine. So I'm going to take it off the heat as is. And I'm going to add in my Rice Krispies. This is the dish I'm going to use. You can use a thicker dish and make the Rice Krispie Squares taller, but I like to use a thin one so that we can put a nice good layer of chocolate on top. So this is it. This tray was slightly too big, but that's okay. I'm going to pop it into the fridge for about half an hour, and then we melt chocolate and pour it over the top. So I've just taken the tray out of the fridge after half an hour. The Krispies are nice and hard. I melted the chocolate in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. Alternatively, you can do this over boiling water. Okay, so the chocolate is spread across. I use half and half milk chocolate and dark chocolate. You can use whatever you want, but I find that gives the nicest taste. So these are going back into the fridge for about another half hour to an hour, and then we'll cut them up and have a taste test. Okay, so it's been about 30-40 minutes. The biscuits are nice and hard, so we're going to cut them up and see what they taste like. So there's a good thick layer of chocolate on top, which is how I like them. Really chocolatey. So enjoy!